Hey there, and welcome to the JavaScript series. I am Ravi Narayan. In the playlist, diving into the world of JavaScript from very basic to advanced topics, and in everything in between. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you are in the right place. Move to our computer screen. You all have decided to start learning JavaScript. Excellent choice. Moving to our introduction. JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It powers the web, making websites interactive, dynamic, and engaging. But don't worry, we are not going to dive into the deep and right away. JavaScript is used on both the server side and the client side application. Moving to our next slide, target audience. So the target audiences are beginner in programming, like those who are new to coding and want to start their journey. Tech enthusiasts, people working in the tech industry looking to expand their skills. College going students, students pursuing technical or non-technical degree interested in programming. Exam preparation, aspirants prepare for a coding exam, placements, and competitive programmings. I will giving you a quick overview. In the playlist, we will start with fundamentals like variables, functions, loops, and conditionals. Then we will dive into the more advanced topics like asynchronous programming, DOM manipulation, and even frameworks like React and Node.js. What you are expecting from the series? Trust me, by the end of the series, you will able to create interactive website, handle user input, and even start building full-fledged application. From interactive form to games and web apps, JavaScript is everywhere. Setting up your environment basically require two things. First is a IDE, means integrated development environment. It is a special kind of application where we can write our code, debug our code, and run as well. Second one is a web browser. Personally, I use Chrome browser. I suggested another one is Firefox. These two browsers are supported latest JavaScript features. Let's go to our browser, type VS Code. I personally used it. VS Code provided by Microsoft. Click on the first link. I used Windows. Based on your system, click the download button and it started downloading. How to add JS to our web page? There are two ways of doing this. First one is internal link and second one is external linking. I have already created a folder for the JS series. Go to the folder in the VS Code. For this, right click on the folder and go to show more option and open with code. So there is another way of doing this. The another one is then simply right click, open with the terminal, then simply type code dot and hit enter. So basically internal linking means write the JavaScript code inside the HTML file. So simply for this, so I'll create a file name as index.html. Click enter, click the exclamation mark and then click enter. For this, in the body tag, open a triangular bracket and write script and then closing. Then inside the script tag we will be write our JS code. Console.log welcome to JS series. Control save. That is all our internal linking. Go to our external linking. The main idea of the external linking is write the JS code in a separate file and link it with the HTML file. So for this now I will be create a file as name index.js. Here we can write our JS code like console.log welcome to external linking. Control save. Create another HTML file index2.html. Click enter. Same exclamation mark. Click enter. Then in the body tag write script. Closing tag. In the script tag there is a property is name src. Enter and here we can pass our JS file name. Our JS file name is index.js and control save, and that's all about our external linking. What is browser console and how to open it? The browser console is a built-in tool in web browsers that allow the developer to log messages, debug the JS code, and interact with the web page dynamically. Then how to open it? So if you are on Google Chrome, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. If you are on Firefox, press Ctrl plus Shift plus K. In Mac, press Option plus J, or In Edge, press F2. Practice exercise. First one is open your console and type 4 plus 10 and see the output. And second one is use the console.log syntax, and inside this, then within your double quote, write your name and see the output. Before we jump, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I will be guiding you step by step, so make sure to follow along with each lesson. And if stuck, leave a comment below. I will be here to help. So grab your computer, open your favorite code editor, and let's start your journey JavaScript together. See you in the next video. Happy coding.